5 deadly mistakes every EV owner is still making. Stop destroying your battery. Thinking your luxury EV is practically maintenance-free? Think again. These 5 mistakes silently shave years off battery life and can cost you thousands in depreciation and repairs. Stay with me. I'll show exactly what to stop doing right now. I read battery care research, owner surveys, and manufacturer guidance, so you get facts, not scare tactics. I'll label confirmed science and call out rumors. This is for buyers in the USA, UK, and Australia. Practical, no fluff advice. Pause 0.4s. Mistake number 1. Using DC fast chargers all the time. Fast chargers are amazing, but they're a tool, not a lifestyle. Confirmed. Repeated, frequent high-power DC charging raises pack temperature and accelerates capacity loss over years. Think of it like running an athlete at redline for hours. The rule of thumb for longevity. Use DC fast charging for road trips and emergencies, not your daily commute. For everyday charging, prefer lower power AC overnight sessions that keep state of charge healthy. Quick fix. Set your home charger to 80% top off for daily use and save 90 to 100% charges for long trips. Mistake number 2. Running the battery to 0% or keeping it at 100%. Both extremes punish battery chemistry. Confirmed. Deep discharges and long-term 100% SOC increase stress and reduce cycle life. Manufacturers often recommend keeping daily SOC in a middle band, say 20 to 80%, for best life. If you must charge to 100% for a long trip, time it so the car isn't sitting at 100% for hours. Editor card. Show a gauge animation with green band highlighted 20 to 80%. Mistake number 3. Ignoring software updates and BMS notices. This one's simple and costly. Over-the-air updates often fix battery management bugs, improve thermal strategy, and even increase range. Confirmed. Many real-world owner problems are solved by firmware updates. Don't delay them, and read the release notes. If your car warns of a battery or charging alert, treat it seriously and contact service. Ignoring BMS warnings can let a small issue become a big, expensive repair. Mistake number 4. Bad charging station practices and connector misuse. Loose plugs, dirty connectors, or forcing incompatible adapters. These are real, avoidable hazards. Poor connector contact causes heat buildup, slow charging, and sometimes costly connector damage. Confirmed. Use certified cables, wipe contacts if dirty, and avoid cheap adapters that don't match the charger specs. If a charge port feels hot or the car reports an error, stop the session and move to another unit. Mistake number 5. Ignoring environmental and load effects. Cold weather, heavy cargo, high-speed towing, these all increase battery load and accelerate wear. Confirmed. Low temperatures reduce immediate range and increase charge times. For buyers in the USA, UK, and Australia, check how your local climate affects range and avoid long idle exposures to extreme heat or cold. If you tow regularly, understand manufacturer tow limits. Towing multiplies battery cycles faster than everyday driving. Bonus, the luxury owner checklist. Since many of you own high-value EVs, here are quick, high-impact steps to protect value. 1. Register every software update and service record. Buyers pay for documented care. 2. Use manufacturer-approved chargers and insist on certified installers for home chargers. 3. Ask dealers about BMS warranties and capacity retention guarantees before you buy. Myth bust and signals to watch. Quick myth bust. EV batteries fail in 5 years. Not true when properly cared for. Most modern packs lose small percentages of capacity annually, not catastrophic collapses, but bad habits speed decay. Signals to watch. manufacturer BMS recalls, large-scale owner complaints in forums, and independent capacity tests. If those spike, treat it seriously. Final takeaway. Bottom line. The difference between a healthy EV and a phone-like battery replacement bill is habit. Stop these 5 mistakes, document your care, and you'll protect performance and resale value. Which of these surprised you most? Comment USA, UK, or AUS and tell me your top worry. I'll make a region-specific follow-up with numbers and real costs. Like, subscribe, and save this checklist. Your future self will thank you.